Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. Plus if you want to download this or buy it, you can buy it from my partner link in the description below. It's just for $3. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide, and then what we're going to do is just go to from a background. We're going to insert another color that is dark. Then we're going to insert this rounded corner rectangle, make it fully rounded. Now what we're going to do is remove its outline, give it a black fill, but right now I'm going to use another color. You can use other color if you want. So right now I'm going to use black. Then we're going to put it into the middle, duplicate it using Ctrl+D, and we're going to just put them right here. The next thing you have to do is just insert your text right here, and we're going to align them. Make sure that on both sides all of them are in equal angles. Then we're going to insert a large circle, put it into the middle and center. We're going to go to format shape, give it some transparency so we can see the shape that are overlapping with the circle. And make sure that some part of that rounded corner rectangle is overlapping with this. Select all of them and fragment them. Let's remove the circle alone, and for the other shapes, let's remove their transparency to 0. Then what we're going to do is give these parts that are on to the left side a different color from those other rectangles. So what we want, we're going to just change the colors. So yeah, here we go. If you don't like any color, you can just change it. Give all of them the 5th number shadow. Then what we're going to do is insert our icons. So let me just insert my icons. These are gonna be the icons I'm gonna use. Change their color to white, or because these we have darker color, so I'm just gonna use black color. Here we go. Then what we're gonna do is just insert our text. Whatever the text you want to use, just put it into the rounded corner rectangle. Then let's change this color to black. We're gonna change the background color as well. So I'm just gonna use this like silver color for the background. Select all of your shapes, group them, and increase the size. The group key is Ctrl+G, and the ungroup key is Ctrl+Shift+G. And what we can do is put them closer and insert a text box after changing the background color. Here we go. Now what we're going to do is just put it into the middle and center and give it a very bold font. Finally, we have this final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to leave the comments, and don't forget to give your suggestions about how our videos are and if you learn anything from it, and we'll make sure that we make our videos more better for you to learn more easily.